Hello and welcome to Unlock English. I am Alex. Today, we have a very special lesson. We are going to practice 100 sentences about your daily routine. I will speak slowly. I want you to listen, then repeat after me. Use this time to build your confidence. Let's start with the morning. Part 1. The morning. I wake up at 6 a.m. I hear my alarm clock. I turn off my alarm. I stay in bed for 5 minutes. I stretch my arms and legs. I get out of bed. I put on my slippers. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth. I use a toothbrush and toothpaste. I take a warm shower. I dry my hair with a towel. I brush my hair. I look at myself in the mirror. I go back to my bedroom. I choose my clothes. I put on a clean shirt. I wear my favorite jeans. I put on my socks. I head to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water. I make a cup of coffee. I boil some water for tea. I prepare my breakfast. I toast 2 pieces of bread. I fry an egg in a pan. I eat a bowl of cereal with milk. I sit at the table. I eat my breakfast slowly. I wash my plate and cup. I check my phone. Part 2. Work and study. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I drive my car to work. I arrive at the office at 9 a.m. I say hello to my colleagues. I sit down at my desk. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. I write a to-do list. I start my first task. I answer the phone. I have a meeting at 10:30 a.m. I listen to my manager. I take notes in my notebook. I type a report on my laptop. I use the photocopier. I drink water from my bottle. I take a short break. I talk to my friends. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I eat a sandwich. I eat a sandwich and an apple. I go for a walk outside. I breathe the fresh air. I feel energized. I go back to my desk. I finish my afternoon tasks. I send an important document. I clean my workspace. I turn off my computer. I leave the office at 5 p.m. I go to the supermarket. I buy some vegetables and fruit. I pay at the cashier. I carry my bags home. I arrive home feeling tired. Part 3. Evening and night. I take off my shoes. I put my keys on the table. I change into comfortable clothes. I sit on the sofa. I rest for 15 minutes. I listen to some music. I start cooking dinner. I chop some onions and carrots. I boil some pasta. I set the table. I eat dinner with my family. I talk about my day. I wash the dishes after dinner. I dry the dishes. I watch a movie on TV. I study English for 30 minutes. I practice my speaking. I write in my journal. I check my calendar for tomorrow. I set my alarm for 6 a.m. I take a shower before bed. I put on my pajamas. I turn off the lights. I check the windows are locked. I get into bed. I read a book for 10 minutes. I feel very sleepy. I close my eyes. Great job! You just practiced 100 sentences in English. Remember, repetition is the key to learning. Listen to this episode every day. Soon, these sentences will be easy for you. I am Alex from Unlock English. Keep practicing, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.